Are you looking for a way to make money online quickly and easily? Look no further. In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing app that can help you earn money almost instantly. Discover how thousands of people around the world have been using this app and have been able to make money without any prior experience or special skills. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Just watch the video all the way through and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Now, let's get started. Start earning money instantly with this free app. No prior experience is required. This called SurveyPop. SurveyPop is a free app where members can earn money by taking market research surveys. SurveyPop is free to join and they guarantee you $1 for your first survey. SurveyPop partners with dozens of brands to conduct market research on products and entertainment. As a participant, you have the power to shape these brands by sharing your opinions through online surveys. The best part is you earn real cash for your participation. Take as many surveys as you'd like and earn on everyone. SurveyPop is quick and fun. Earn $5 within minutes and continue earning on every survey. To get more surveys, be sure to fill out your profile and turn on device location and notifications. To complete your profile, fill out the profile survey during the onboarding process and turn on the device location. Note that some profile attributes accept multiple answers. And note that Monday through Friday afternoon and evenings are the best times to take surveys. The minimum amount required to cash out is $5. To cash out, simply press the balance bar tab, then select your preferred cash out method. They support gift card cash outs to over 70 of your favorite brands, as well as PayPal and direct deposit into your bank account. After selecting your cash out method, you will be prompted to enter your email address. Most cash outs are instant, but some may take up to 3 business days to process for security purposes. I hope this video has helped you in some way. If you found it valuable, give me a big thumbs up, comment saying, "I like it." Don't forget to share it with your friends, and check out also other videos for more making money methods. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to follow for more videos like this one.